Getting kids outdoors, eating healthy, and connecting with nature is so important. School gardens play a vital role in this effort.
Coming to the garden is just so great to be able to socialize and be with friends and teachers.
Welcome to our first ever national Coast to Coast School Gardens event. We will be uniting students from Hawaii all the way to Washington, D.C. and everywhere in between to celebrate the power of school gardens.
We hope the next time you see a seed, you think about the power it contains, the power to grow new life and the power to feed communities.
There is so much that we have to learn from being outside in our gardens. So this is just the beginning.